In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys how to create transition inside CSS. That is very important for you if you're a good designer, and uh, and this is very useful for you. Let's get started to build wool, and I wanna use wool li 3 times 3 4. What this is transition. The watcher is good designer, and I'm bookmark. Then you can follow me on Twitter at irshadidl, like this. So now I can make to be here, and then only for hover, and then color I wanna adjust for padding left to be 30 pixel, and see what we got. Hover. You see hover. If you are not know what is hover, you can come back review your lesson about HTML. So now let's see. This is I wanna zoom. Okay, you see the difference is we hover, we give a padding left for, I think you need to create 7. Okay, that's cool. I think 100. Okay, okay, good. And what transition? So now let's create transition. Transition padding left going to be 4 seconds. And hope you can get the result like this. So you wanna is so now let's create. Let's see. That is inside. So it's in. Okay, really, and I want to see. Really, then go to. Okay, that's cool. Easy in and easy out. I want to see easy out. So okay, you can see what is the difference is. But for now, I just want to use not for that. But now I want to show you what is color going to be red, and see. Okay, I see the color not have the transition. So now what is the way? So you see WebKit transition just for fading left, but for color is nothing. You can use the code all, and hopefully, okay, transition will be all, and padding left and the color. Okay, and really interesting talking about transition, but transition can be to combine with transform. So now let's create div tt, and this is going to be no, I just wanna use inside here tt, and background is like coral, and width is 20. Okay, sorry, 200, and then 200 again, and see what we got. I'm sorry, no remove. Okay, see. Oh yes, I think you are not so cool because this is not have a class. So now let's create. Okay, that's cool. And I wanna make inside here going to be yes, for transform, and then this is going to be tt hover, and I'm gonna use transform WebKit transform and scale to be uh, okay, like this, and see what we get. Okay, that's cool. You see, I wanna make to be body width to be, and padding 20 pixel, and width and margin to be auto for making center, and hopefully okay, good. And I wanna see, okay, good. And see again, and then I wanna change to be 100, and then okay. You see, it's very scale, but I think you have like this. It's very bad and very bad. Why I say like this? Like this because you don't have transition inside here, but you can combine transfer and transition. So now let's get transition, and then I wanna make it. I'm sorry, just for transform. I wanna use 5 second, 0.5 second, and see. Okay, that's cool. That is transform, and you can also make something like rotate, and 3. I wanna deck 90 deck and see. All right, you can see, and then I wanna make 150. Okay, that's cool, and 360. All right, and then for then yes. All right, you see that is very cool transition. So now I wanna use for really interesting, and then you can also make something like I wanna change to be 10 second, and as you can see, every time you hover, it can be circling or turn on inside 10 seconds, and we out hover mode, so you can see. All right, really interesting, huh? That is very cool. So, and this is transform, and this is transition. Now let's go to see what is a result of the Mozilla Firefox and see. Hopefully we got nothing interesting inside here because what we can see inside Google Chrome or Chrome, you can see the transition and transform going to here, but for Firefox is nothing response. So why? Because we got nothing traffic inside. So let's create for a couple time for another browser. I have Mac and see what happened inside Mozilla. Okay, we don't see anything inside. Why? You know why? Because you don't setting inside here. So let's create. Alright, you can see now for now and see. Hopefully we get same result, and okay, it's working. So we have create, so you can close your Mozilla or Firefox now. This is transition and transform. Yes, you can also make a commenter inside here, transform and transition, and then okay, good. It's not gonna be working inside your CSS. Okay, and okay, I think in the next part, in the next part, we are going to talking about um extremely useful for you, but now I can say you because it's secret. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.